What role do victims play in restorative justice? What role do victims play in restorative justice? This approach to crime focuses on repairing harm rather than just punishing the offender. Victims are not merely bystanders, they are central to the process. Their involvement is voluntary, allowing them to express their needs for recognition, information, and a voice in how justice unfolds. In restorative justice, victims can communicate directly with the person who harmed them if they choose. This communication can happen in various ways, such as face-to-face meetings, written exchanges, or through mediators. This opportunity allows victims to share how the crime impacted their lives, ask questions, and seek answers that traditional court systems may not provide. One reason victims engage in restorative justice is to regain a sense of control over the process. In conventional criminal justice systems, victims often feel overlooked, as the focus is primarily on the offender and the state. Restorative justice shifts this focus, giving victims a platform to share their experiences and influence outcomes. They can decide how they want the offender to make amends, whether through an apology, restitution, or community service. Research shows that victims who participate in restorative justice often report higher satisfaction and psychological healing than those who go through traditional court processes. They feel respected and recognized, which can help them achieve closure. However, it is essential to note that not every victim finds this process beneficial. Some may feel pressured to participate or experience power imbalances during the process. From a true crime and criminology perspective, involving victims in restorative justice helps humanize the justice process. It acknowledges that crime harms individuals and communities, not just laws. By including victims directly, restorative justice aims to repair relationships, address underlying causes of crime, and promote accountability and healing. In the context of restorative justice and police, law enforcement can play a supportive role. They can help victims access restorative programs, ensure they are informed about their options, and protect their rights throughout the process. Police involvement can build trust between victims, offenders, and the community, leading to more effective and meaningful justice outcomes. Practical applications include victim-offender mediation, community panels, and restorative circles. These methods provide structured ways for victims to participate and have their voices heard. Many criminal justice systems are integrating these practices as alternatives or complements to traditional prosecution. Victims are at the heart of restorative justice. Their active participation is vital for the process to be meaningful and effective. It offers them a unique chance to heal, seek answers, and influence the resolution of the harm they have experienced.